Hi guys, just want to show you our new job we're starting today in Brixham. So it's our next extension that we're doing. It's a 5x7 metre extension. We've got bifolds going out the back, and we've also got composite decking with glass balustrading going around. So come take you around the site and show you what we're doing. We're setting up site in a minute, so we've got our ground protection mats all around, because obviously the customers have got chip-ins on the driveway, so we've put tarpaulins, DPM all around to protect it as much as possible. We've got a section over the end there where you can see our trap barrow, the brilliant loom mag, which is an excellent bit of kit. We've got a section there ready for the grab lorry, so we can put all the mud, soil, etc. all down there ready for the grab lorry. This is the access in a minute. The digger is quite tight, as you can imagine, and it just got around. The boys are here now doing the stuff, getting ready, digging out for the footings now. Just laid it all out, ready to go. Just been for the customers, and they've shown us every bits and bobs that they want us to do. They've kindly left us a kettle out and stuff, which is nice. Alright guys, as you can see, this is our site setup. So we're all ready for building the block back on the extension. So we've got our slurry tub here, which is probably one of the best bits of kits that we use now. So for your washout on the mixer and stuff, we'll do another separate video on that. But you basically just put a filter inside, you pour all your waste, water and muck over inside it, leave it, and then the next day you take the plug out on the sides, and then clear water comes out, and you just basically dispose of the filter and all the waste inside. So we've got our water butt here, nice and easy, all of our cement and obviously the mixer and all of our sands there. So it's basically all ready to go, all accessible within a couple of steps, guys. Alright, so you want to be as efficient as possible. So every time you do a site setup, you always take that into consideration, guys. Alright, you want to be as efficient as possible, everything nice and close. You don't want to be walking from there to there. You're just wasting time, aren't you guys? So we will do further videos on the block work, so keep posted on that, and don't forget to like, follow and subscribe all of our channels, so socials and obviously YouTube, guys. Alright, take care.